Alright, so we have the basic sleeve here. Six inches, 5.5 at the down part, and here to here is 7 inches. So this basic sleeve is going to come on this one. From here to here, this is 1 3/4. You can make it bigger, larger than this if you want, but what was used on the sleeve, this is what I use on the sleeve. This is 1 3/4, or you can make it 2. And at the top here we have 4.5. 4.5 here, up. Then you take it down like that, and here we have we have 3.5 here. So you trace it down to join it, and so this is the basic one, and this is the main one. So we have cut out this. This is a basic sleeve. We have cut it out, and this is the main one here. So this is what we are going to do now. Put it aside, and then you take this, the middle here, you notch it, the middle here, notch it, the middle here, notch it, and then the middle here, notch it. So this one to this place, and this here. So you pin these together, and then the right face here, you pin it together too. And then you gather it right from there, like this. Yeah. So we're going to sew it round, gathering it. So we'll be right back. So this is the basic sleeve here, and it has been sewn. Round here and here, this piece is closed, and then we'll turn it, and this is what we have.